Another spooky day and another spooky story with me, Soraya. And George. I didn't forget you. Jeez, this time we're talking pipes. Not just any kind, the worst kind. We're talking stinky, smelly pipe monsters. Ew. Mr. V was a young, ambitious teacher, ready to see the world. He had accepted a teaching contract in Argentina and was preparing for 6 months away from his home. He took all the necessary precautions. He took out the trash, turned off the water, stopped the mail, and turned up the thermostat. He locked his doors and left his home, unsuspecting of the horror that awaited his return. After 6 months, Mr. V came home. The moment he opened the front door, a putrid, rotting smell smacked him in the face, a sickening wave of decay that sent a shiver down his spine. He feared the worst. Squatters, animals, something had broken in and died. He searched the house, a growing dread building in his stomach, but everything was in order. There was no signs of intruders, no mess, nothing out of place. The smell, however, was the strongest in the bathroom. He approached the toilet, which he had left with the lid down. He steeled himself, fearing a scene of unimaginable filth. He lifted the lid, and what he saw was absolutely nothing. Just a small pocket of plain water. He was baffled. Where was this horrible stench coming from? The bathroom was clearly the source, but there was no visible culprit. In a panic, he called a plumber. He explained the situation, and the woman on the phone asked if anyone had used the water during his trip. Mr. V told her no. She told him it could be a dry pee trap. She advised him to flush the toilet and run the sink and shower. Mr. V did as he was told, and, unable to stomach the smell, he stayed with his parents for a few days. When he returned, the odor was gone. The culprits were bone-dry pee traps in a sink and shower. P-traps are the curved pipes under your sinks, and their job is to hold a small amount of water to create a barrier that keeps sewer gases from entering into your home. With no one home to use the plumbing, the water in his P-traps simply evaporated. While a dry P-trap is a common issue that can easily be solved, it can also be a sign of a larger, more sinister problem.